to this build series on how to Hemi swap an LJ. My name is Joel and I'm based here out of Northern California in the smoky atmosphere. And I created this build series because what guy doesn't want a V8 in his Jeep? I wanted one so bad I flew all the way to Utah and drove a LJ back here to California only to have to rebuild a whole nother one. So this is Hemi, my old girlfriend, or what's left of her. I made another video that explains what happened to her, but long story short, I was on a trail and my accelerator got stuck and I nailed a tree, totaling her. And so I was faced with two options at that point. One, do I buy an already swapped LJ again? Or do I harvest her parts and get a donor and build another one? And so I obviously decided already to find a donor and start the cannibalizing process, which you'll see in the next episode. So as you can see from my shop, there are a ton of parts and things you have to deal with when obviously embarking on this type of project. But what hopefully you can also see is that my shop's not that big. Maybe a little bigger than your average two-car garage that's clean. I also don't have fancy tools. The fanciest I have is probably a plasma cutter at that. So if I can do it, hopefully you can do it. So we're gonna go through all the systems and subjects that you're gonna be interested in, like the budget, most importantly, right? The time frame, LJ-TJ comparisons, motor options, sourcing parts, California smog requirements, suspension, fuel, you name it, we're gonna be going through it. So the ultimate goal to this build project is to get this project done. We all know the guy who starts a project and then for whatever reason aborts it, and I hate that because I know they've invested a lot of time or money and I wanted to see the rig on the road. So we're gonna get this thing done and hopefully I can give you the confidence to build yours and finish it. And then second thing is I need a rig done so that she has a rig to drive. I have a Scout that I'm gonna try to finish within all of this, so that roughly in a year we have two rigs on the trail. The third reason is because I need her to continue to believe that these are investments into our relationship. And fourthly, thank you for your viewership, because you're helping us contribute each quarter to a trail preservation effort, the veterans, different charities. So thank you for that. And click the red bell because that will alert you about the next episode that comes on. And feel free to leave any comments for me because I'll definitely follow up and try to follow up to the ones I can. Time's short, but I'll address them in other videos. So thank you. See you at the next one. Hi, welcome. Hi.